Holy acting my father, yeah, that. Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. Today, we strip back all the fame, all the lights, all the camera, all the action, and we're going in the back garden, people. Today's episode is all about growing tropical plants in the UK. Check it out. Yes, people, we're there, man. Yeah, that. Listen, the information I'm going to be giving you today is for beginners. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so people that like gardening but don't take things too seriously. You know what I'm saying? It's looking very vibrant out here. So let me get into it. Yeah, let's go. Growing tropical plants in the UK. The first one we're going to start with is the pineapple. Now I'm going to be honest with you. You see with the pineapple, people, pineapples take like 2 years to grow. You're never going to grow it in the UK. You can buy these little house plants. They come with like a little growing pineapple on it. It's not going to grow much bigger than that. You can't eat it, but you know what? It's a nice little something to have in your garden. Do you know what I'm saying? As it just sits there, it just looks nice. It's a nice piece of, you know what I mean, furniture in the garden. But yeah, you're not going to grow no pineapple. It's not going to happen, unfortunately. But it looks nice. So that'll pretty much be done by the end of the season, and just dash it. It was only £12. It's worth it. So next to the pineapple, what we've got here is coriander. And yeah, this is just coriander, but the seeds actually come all the way from Jamaica, from St. Mary, Jamaica. So this is native to Jamaica, this coriander plant, or cilantro, or whatever you call it. But yeah, it's really, really easy to grow. I just got the seeds, planted them, grew really easy. Cilantro is easy to grow. You can see behind me here the type of palm trees that will be all right here in the UK. Yeah, these ones here, they're kind of hardy. They just go through the winter as well, you know what I'm saying? So if you're looking to make your garden look a little bit more tropical, then yeah, these are the type of palms, but they probably sell them wherever you are anyway. I've got another one over here. See that one there? I just put that one in the corner there just to make it look vibrant and nice, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we'll get to that in a minute. Some more palms here, one either side of the jerk pan, but we'll get to all that in a minute. Next, we have a Florida palm. Yeah, I bought this in Florida at the airport. Yeah, it's cool, man. I don't know, the wind seems to be mashing it up a bit, but it looks like it's got some new growth growing through. I don't really know how best to grow this. It hasn't grown much since I've had it. If anybody's got any recommendations on the little palms there, that would be much appreciated. Along here we've got some peppers growing. As you can see, some red peppers. These are the bell peppers, so the sweet ones that you just use in your food. So yeah, good vibes. That's that little section there. All right, this is the greenhouse. Yeah, so basically, I wanted to use this for some plants that really couldn't grow in the UK and give them a better chance. So originally I put in these. So these are okra. Yeah, and I grew them to like little seedlings, and then I kind of tested them and put them straight in the ground. I think there was like 6, but look, this one's doing quite well. That one's doing quite well. Looks like something's eating that there. Something's in his little slug or something, but we need to sort that out. But they're doing all right. Yeah, the okras are doing all right. This is some Scotch bonnet from Jamaica. The seeds come from Jamaica. Yeah, I grew them from the seedlings in a pot in the house, and then brought them outside and put them straight in here. This is a Trinidad scorpion, I think. Something seems to be eating these leaves. It looks like there's a load of new growth coming through, so I'm not too worried. Hopefully that will just come through nice, and now I can just get rid of these leaves. This is a Scotch bonnet that I bought in the UK, and this is a Trinidad perfume. Again, something was eating the leaves, but it looks like a load of new growth is coming through on them. So yeah, we've got okra, Scotch bonnet, and Trinidad scorpion peppers and stuff in there. Hopefully, there was actually some sorrel in there, and I've been trying to grow sorrel for years, people. And I put one in, but they just all died in there, unfortunately. That don't need to be in there. Yeah, unfortunately, they all died. Like, literally, for years, I've tried to plant sorrel, grow it from the seed, and they just get to a certain thing and just end up dying. I've grown them to a certain height, but they never produced any flowers. So what I'd done was jumped on the internet and see if I could find a Jamaican sorrel plant on the internet. And this is what I found. Look at this. It cost me £25. I think it comes from India. But look, we've got sorrel flowers already growing. So this is how it comes. And look, you can see there's more growing through as well. The one's there. But yeah, this is really, really cool. I'm not going to put it in the ground because I don't trust it. If I keep it in a pot like this, then that way I can take it indoors if I feel like it's getting too cold. But yeah, look at that, man. Sorrel in the UK. I'm probably going to put it into a bigger pot so we can hopefully get a bigger yield. But I'd love to get a few flowers at least to make some sort, even if it's a glass of juice or something, that would be sick. And next door to it, we've got the tuna, the cactus. This one is from Jamaica as well. That's all right in the ground, man. I just leave it there. Don't even water it too much. Just does its own thing. Yeah, sorrel, the cactus next to it. We've got some lemon balm. This just naturally grows in the UK. It's good for like colds and stuff like that. Make tea and stuff with it. Lily. I think that's an Irish potato plant there. Yeah, that is it. Big rosemary bush. As I'm saying, not all these are tropical, but I'm just showing you what else is in the garden. Rosemary bush with some little nice something, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So that's that section. All right, now this is the section at the back of the garden. This is where, like, this is my kind of like little chill out spot. If I sit here on my bench under my palm tree and I just sit down. I've got the jerk pan there. I've got the banana tree. It's just a nice little, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But as you can see down here, this is a grabber plant. Yeah, man. This is a grabber plant, so this is a tobacco plant. Doing quite well. Some quite big leaves on it already. So, yeah, we just wait for that to grow and see how many leaves we can get off it. And then we can do our thing with it. Over here is some pumpkin. The pumpkin is not from Jamaica, or anywhere like that. This is just from the UK, but it seems to be doing quite well. Here, a cucumber. The cucumbers from Jamaica. The seedlings, brought them back. Seem to be doing all right. Not as big as the pumpkin is doing, but yeah, I'm sure it will pick up soon and start moving. And then banana trees. Yeah, enough people are shocked when they see banana trees in the UK, but a lot of people don't. But you see some really, really big ones. As long as you kind of cover them up if you get any frost. But we live in the southeast of England and we don't really get that much frost because we live by the seaside. So we get salt in the air, so it doesn't really stick to the ground. So banana trees do all right. Let's see if we got a new one, should be soon pop out. You get me? But yeah, they do really well, and they just, all these little suckers start growing. So you just get loads of extra little banana trees. There's a little one down there as well. Yeah, man. Banana trees, grabber, pineapple, sorrel, okra. I'm mad to that, people. It's my little cooking section. You know what I'm saying? So basically that is a cherry tree. And I use the cherry wood to cook my jerk chicken. And sometimes if I want to slow cook it, then I'll cook it on here. And if I want to cook it faster, then I'll cook it on there, or I can use that to put a pot on and cook some food on the pot or whatever. Is it? Yeah. That is it. Over this side, yeah, it's kind of under construction. I went to build a bamboo shack for YouTube and it kind of went a bit wrong. But yeah, we got a couple little palm things over there, make it look nice over there until we fix up the rest of it and build our little shack in the corner. It will look nice then. It will look cool then. Big bay leaf tree there. That is it. And this is pretty much the last section. Got a little palm there next to the bamboo. A little random banana tree that's growing down there. Here we got some eggplant. Let me show you. I've wrapped them in these things so they don't get eaten by the slugs. But yeah, little eggplant. See there? Looks like there's some more growing on there. But this is from the UK anyway. And some little strawberries there. And that is it, people. That is the garden. One thing though, be careful if you ever buy bamboo trees, because look, they go mad. Look at all them new shoots. It goes mental, and I keep chopping them down as well. Relentless. Hope you enjoyed the episode, people. If you want to see more of this, if you want to hear more of this or see any updates, let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. And hit that like button and get the video moving quick and fast. Big up everybody, man. I love you lot, and I will see you next time.